Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I want us to find all the roots of this equation. We have a cubed plus 5a is equals to 42. So our first step is to bring this 42 to our left hand side. A cubed plus 5a minus 42 is equals to 0, right? Our next step is to look for the nearest cubic number to 42, which is 27. 27 is our nearest cubic number to 42. Therefore, this will be a cubed plus 5a minus 27 minus 15 is equals to 0. So if you take negative 27 and negative 15, you're getting negative 42. Okay, our next step, a cubed minus, I'm now rearranging 27 plus 5a minus 15 is equals to 0, right? A cubed, this is a cubed minus 27, we can as well write it as 3 cubed plus 5a minus 15 is equals to 0, right? So we are going to use this identity. We now have a cubed minus 3 cubed. So if you have a cubed minus b cubed, we can as well write it as a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared, right? So we are going to present a cubed minus 3 cubed in this form, right? Therefore, this will be a minus b, a minus 3, our b is 3, a minus 3 into a squared. A squared here is a squared plus our ab, which is 3a plus our b squared, which is 3 squared plus 5a minus 15 is equals to 0. So we've presented a cubed minus 3 cubed in this form over here. So this is plus 5a minus 15 is equals to 0. Our next step, a minus 3 into a squared plus 3a plus 3 squared. We are going now to factor out here 5 into a minus 3 is equals to 0. So if you check, a minus 3 is common, we can therefore factor it out. A minus 3 into a squared plus 3a plus 3 squared, this is 9, plus 5 over here is equals to 0, right? So a minus 3 into a squared plus 3a plus 9 plus 5, this gives us 14 is equals to 0. We can now equate these two terms with the 0. A minus 3 with the 0 and this quadratic equation over here with the 0. So a minus 3 is equals to 0. And on this other hand, a squared plus 3a plus 14 is equals to 0. So we have formed a quadratic equation. And on this side, a is equals to 3. So this is the first root that we have already solved. A is equals to 3. And on this other side, we have formed a quadratic equation, and I want us to solve using quadratic formula, whereby a is equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Our a here is 1, the coefficient of a squared. Our b here is 3, which is the middle term. Our c here is 14, right? So let us substitute these numbers or these values in our quadratic formula. So let me write on this side, a is equals to negative b. Our b here is 3, so this will be negative 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 3. This gives us 9. 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times our a here, which is 1, times our c here, which is 14, over 2a, 2 times 1. So a is equals to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 times 1. This gives us negative 4 times 14. This will give us negative 56. So 9 minus 56 over 2, right? Our next step, a is equals to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 56. This gives us negative 47 over 2. So negative 47, we can't have a square root of negative. So on this side, a is equals to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 47 times the square root of negative 1 over 2. We'll now have two values. So our first value of a is equals to negative 3 plus square root 47 imaginary, because of this negative over here. So this will be imaginary, over 2, or a is equals to negative 3 minus the square root of 47 imaginary over 2. So this is the roots of a. So we have this value of a here. This is the second root, and we have this as our third root. Negative 3 plus square root of 47 imaginary over 2, or negative 3 minus 47 imaginary, square root of 47 imaginary over 2. So this is our second root, and this is our third root. Our first root was here. A is equals to 3, and this is the real solution of A. But we have 3 roots. Root number 1, root number 2 over here, and root number 3. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye-bye.